We're back in my kitchen again. I love art because there's so many different aspects to it. Today we're going to be working on some Puffy paint sidewalk chalk. This is another fun thing to put together. This takes a cup of flour, and I have the recipe in the art prompt, so don't worry about trying to get all the ingredients. You can just go and look at that. What I'm going to do is just kind of walk through the process. So you need a cup of flour, and you need a cup of water, and you need a tablespoon of soap, dish soap, and you put that all in. You mix it up, and again, I have this funny little beater to do it. It helps me get the lumps out a little faster. You can tell the blue of the Dawn detergent already kind of colored my puffy paint here. So you get that, and you mix it all up until all the lumps are done. And then I'm going to move these things out of the way. You're going to need a grater and actually some chalk already. So I have just some sidewalk chalk, and you're going to grate that sidewalk chalk, and I grated some to begin with, but you're going to need just about a stick for each batch of this. And then you're going to pour this into your mixture and stir it up. You're going to see a fun color in here now. And again, that grating, you don't have to worry because that chalk dissolves pretty fast. Can you see this nice blue color? Okay, it's actually about the color of this. I know, because the lighting in this room, you're not going to see things. All right, so this is a tricky part, and this is part of the reason why I wanted to be able to do this right here. I have a bowl, and I have a plastic bag in the bowl. What you're going to need is a container to put this in. I'm going to use one of these squirt, like ketchup containers, but you can also use, and I just lost the top to it. Like I have a bottle of barbecue sauce, and it has a squirt top on it. I also have a ketchup bottle with a squirt top, so those kind of bottles will work also. So you're going to pour this into that plastic bag. Here's actually the top to that barbecue sauce thing, so you can see there's an opening there. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the end of this and cut it off, and then it's so much easier, and I'm going to try really hard not to make too much of a mess here. You can pour it in. Like I said, each of these is about one bottle full of puffy paint. Okay, so I've got that poured in, and then put the top on. Okay, here's my puffy paint, and the lighting in this room, you can't tell, but this is a pretty blue color. It's pretty much almost like the blue on the Dawn detergent. So you can take this outside. You can use it on the sidewalk. You can mix multiple colors. What will happen is, how puffy paint comes up. It is really, really fun. Here's a couple things though. Some of this will, if it's not washed off of the cement, it may stain. So you might want to do a little test spot and dump water on it and make sure so that you don't get in trouble, that you leave part of your artwork. This should be washed off. Otherwise, it's very hard to come off once it dries. You can also use this on paper or cardboard. But later on, I am going to show you how to do an indoor puffy paint. It won't happen this week, but a couple weeks from now we are going to be working on a few more fun little projects in the kitchen. But this is really fun to go outside, just a little different way with some new ingredients to make something different. Go have some fun. I'll see you later. Bye.